Adheem. Then I got something. Then I will get the excavator. Then I will show you the excavator. Then open. Then you can see what's inside. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. What is this? You know this vehicle? You know what is this? It's a excavator. Yeah. You're what? About an excavator song? Yes. Excavator. I'm an excavator. Excavator. I'm an excavator. Who put on the excavator that I keep it like this?
Switch on.
Do you like songs? Yes! Okay, ready to take this? Okay. Yeah, got it. Let's keep this back. Okay, ready? Okay, excavator. This excavator, this is scooped out of this. There's a sand. We will do it like this.
Switch on.
We will turn the back. Then we will do like this. Then this is so. We need to move like this. Then I do like this. Then this is moving something this. Okay, are you ready? The excavator moving? Okay. Okay. Ready? Okay. Ready.
Excavator. Hey, dirt! See you later. I'm an excavator.
Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Tell me know you like cars, excavators, trucks, and please follow me and like, subscribe, channel, comment. Bye bye.